Hey everyone, if you're using Syncthing to synchronize important files across multiple devices, securing your connections is essential. In this video, I'll show you how to secure Syncthing connections from start to finish in 2026. First, it's important to know that Syncthing already uses encrypted communication by default. All data transferred between connected devices is protected using strong encryption, helping prevent unauthorized access during transmission. Updates often include security improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility enhancements that help protect your synchronization environment. Another useful security measure is maintaining operating system updates. A secure Syncthing installation depends on the security of the devices running it. Review firewall settings and allow only the network access required for Syncthing to function. Avoid unnecessarily exposing management interfaces or services to the public internet. And that's how to secure Syncthing connections in 2026. By combining Syncthing's built-in encryption with strong passwords, careful device management, system updates, and good security practices, you can create a reliable and secure file synchronization environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.